Fix Bluetooth connected but no sound problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, you'll find Bluetooth and Device Connection. Simply click on Bluetooth and Device Connection, then click on Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth, and if there is no sound but connected, simply click on Settings of the specific device and then click on Forget Device. After you've done that, click on Pair New Device. After you have done this, simply connect to the Bluetooth device once again and then you're good to go. This is how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.